I think the future of fleet management and AI is going to go really closely together. As vehicles become more and more intelligent and they have more devices and connectivity put into them, you're going to be able to compile all of this data and organize it in a way that you can create tables and models for the AI algorithm to read, interpret, and create actionable insights. Now, we're going to have to train the AI, and the better that we train it, the better the content is going to be that spits out of that. So for example, if we have an issue with a vehicle that's reoccurring for a specific model type, or we see that there's another vehicle that has a recall for that same issue that we found, the AI is going to be able to look at all that data and pull it together as one cohesive thought. So instead of having to have a fleet manager that has a decade of experience, you could literally have a software that's monitoring your vehicles and spitting out information so that you could have anybody from any experience level be able to monitor and use the tool and make sure that they reduce their downtime and fix their fleets. I also think that's going to be incredibly important as vehicles become more hybrid, diesel electric, and full electric, because you're going to have more modules and more data insights that you can pull from. And that is what's going to reduce your downtime. And that, I think, is going to be the future of fleet management. You're going to have people who are coordinators who are looking at what workflow is, and they're going to be using the AI as an assistant to help them determine the prioritization of repairs, services, and maintenance.